siguro talagang be a player siguro.
And what is his favorite position?
Forward. I love to shoot. And run and run.
Already caught in the basketball spell, Aga has his list of favorites. Among them, Samuel Lim, Alan Kaitik, Alvin Patrimonio, and of course,
Jaworski, of course. Wala si Bimel compadre, Ginebra, at saka San Miguel. It's the way they play, you know, yung game kasi pag silang nandun, buhay eh. Buhay. It's not only basketball, but it's how they play the game.
For Aga, basketball is a part of his life.
I always play. Basketball is like, mga physically, of course, we need it, like I need it. Sa profession ko yung para bang mga pampapayat, siyempre mapapawis ka, exercise, that's form of exercise, of course. So, emotionally, it's like, pag madami kang palpak sa ibang ginagawa, and then you play basketball, dun mo luluhos. Kumbaga, pag sira ang araw mo sa shooting mo, katulad ako, pag sira araw ko sa shooting ko, may nangyari sa akin dito sa taping ko, sa trabaho ko to, so, sa interview na to, sa ganyan. Asa pag naglaro ako sa gabi ng basketball, iba. Parang feeling ko, yung pinakamagaling. Feeling ko lang yan, ako lang naman yun. Hindi naman ako nagyayabang Pero, but siguro, if I wanna, in a game, siguro, if I wanna score like 20, I could score 20.
How about the other professions in basketball? How about being a coach? Or maybe a referee?
Never a coach. Pinakamahirap maging coach eh. Parati nasa yung sisi. Referee, forget it. Yun ang talagang pinakakawawa sa lahat.
Aga Mulak has no qualms about leading a life in the two main entertainment forces in the Philippines. If given the choice to choose a career for his son, Ichi Boy, he would choose.
When he grows up, we don't know kung ano magugustuhan niya. But at this point na ako masusunod, gusto ko mag-aaral lang siya in basketball.
Ball is the sport of the Filipino. Even in the recently concluded Southeast Asian Games, the Filipinos once more proved that we reign in the sport.
Asian countries, tayo ang pinakano eh. Philippines eh. Tayo ang pinakano talaga. Kumbaga, minsan lang, kulang lang ng suporta lang. But then, tayo ang pinakamalakas.
And being such, basketball will forever be in the hearts and minds of all Filipinos, whether the regular man on the street or someone as popular as Aga Mulak.
Just keep on watching basketball, the PBA, and it's magaling. Kumbaga, kesa kung ano pa mga ginagawa nyo dyan kalokohan, hindi kung nag-basketball kayo, pinapawisin na kayo, gumaganda pa katawan ninyo, feeling nyo pa magaling kayo.